Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I'll be showing you how to make honey cake in a very easy way. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs and separate the yolks from the egg whites. At first, beat the egg whites until fluffy. Add half a cup of sugar and the egg yolks to it and continue beating. Next, add half a teaspoon of cake emulsifying gel. This is an optional ingredient. Also add some vanilla essence and a teaspoon of vinegar to it and beat well. Now sieve a cup of all-purpose flour into it. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda to it. Mix well all the ingredients by adding milk little by little to form a batter. Finally, add some melted butter and mix well. Align a cake mold with parchment paper and pour the batter into it. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. To make the syrup, add half a cup of sugar and little water. Let it boil, then add some honey and mix it well. Once the cake is baked, cut out the edges for proper shape. Now pour a generous amount of honey syrup on the cake and spread it well. Spread some mixed fruit jam over the cake. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut over it. Our tasty and juicy honey cake is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.